Hello. We are having a quiz on measuring metrics. So what we're going to do is something very simple. We are going to I would like you to do this. Take a sheet of paper like this, like a half sheet of paper, okay? And I would like you to draw a line. It doesn't matter what length, just draw a line on the sheet of paper. Then draw another line on the sheet of paper. So we have two. Then I want you to measure how long each line is. This one is 9.5 centimeters. Put down 9.5 centimeters and have it equal millimeters. Then measure the next one, which is 4.4 centimeters. Equals how many millimeters? You're going to do all of this while being filmed with your iPad. So get your iPad ready. Have someone film you or set your iPad up so you can film just like I am. Then show that you know how to measure by measuring and writing it down, measuring the second one and writing it down. Then I would like you to then convert the centimeters into millimeters. Remember, when you do that, we have our chart. So centimeters is here on the chart, and we need to move the decimal one place over to the right to millimeters. Okay? So all you would need to do on this particular one would be write 95, because since we move from centimeters to millimeters, it's one to the right. We're going to move that one to the right, and we end up with 95 millimeters. Here, 4.4 centimeters. We're going to move that decimal one to the right, which would end up 44 centimeters. That's all you need to do. Then I need you to send this to me. So this is for the long distance or hybrid learners that aren't here every day. If you're a hybrid learner and you were here in the last 2 days, then you have this done in class. You worked on it with partners. But if you're a long distance learner or a hybrid learner that was not here in the last 2 days, you need to do this. It's very simple. Don't get wigged out about it. As long as you can measure with a meter stick or a ruler with meters, centimeters on, that's all that matters. This tells me that you know how to do it. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay? Please let me know. All right. Have a great long weekend. Get this done. And that's all for now. Bye-bye. This was Mr. Opelia.